Hey guys, welcome to the part 10 of Django ORM series. In this video, we are going to take a look at how exact lookup filter works in Django. So let's get started. In order for exact and iexact filters to work, we have to change our database because SQLite does not really support exact and iexact works. So for that, first of all, we'll have to install our new plugin. And I will tell you all which plugin to install, and also I will put links in the description so that you all can check everything out, because for this we are going to use Postgres database, and the pre-requirement is that you all should have Postgres already installed on your system. And if you all don't know how to install it, for that I will put a link in the description. So over here we are going to install ESYCOPG2. okay, this is the plugin that we are going to install. So the plugin is installed, and that's it for this one. We don't really need any other plugins, but make sure that your system has Postgres database installed. So I'm going to comment this one. Actually, let's change it over here itself instead of copying it. And the new code will be the connection manager will be something like this. It will be from django.dp.backends import Postgres SQL, then a name of the database. So name of the database, I'm going to say it is ORM_v1. Then it requires username, so user, and what is the user that I'm going to use to connect. So I'm going to use this user. Then this user's password. So password, please enter your passwords and not mine. So I'm going to just put it like this. After password, we have to provide the host, and host is localhost over here, and port. So port, I'm going to keep it as blank because the default ports will be used. So our database configuration is ready, and make sure that you all have Postgres database installed on your system. If it is not, then I will provide, actually let me show you all the link. So this is the link that I'm going to provide in the description, and this is one of my favorite ones. So just we have to do these 3 steps and our Postgres service will be installed on our system. And once that is done, you all can log into the Postgres and then create a new database and also user for you all. So I'm going to run this, and our Postgres is up. I have already created this database, so I'm not going to create it again, but you all can follow this tutorial and create a new database. Now let's go to the views, and we are going to start by creating our new endpoint, and that will be called as lookup filter 1. So def lookup filter 1, actually 1. Then this will receive self, request, args, and keyword args. Since this is new endpoint, we are going to put action over here. Detail will be equal to false, and methods will be equal to get. Now over here we are going to extract title from the URL, so query params actually, and then we are going to try to filter by that exact title and iexact. So first we will extract the title. Title is request.get title. So we have title in our hand, and now we are going to filter it. So the format is model name post, then dot objects dot filter, and I'm going to filter it on title. And since this is a lookup filter, so it will be double underscore and exact title. So what exact will do is match the title, whatever the user provides in the query param, exactly with that, and return it. Since it is exact, so it will also match the case of the title provided in the query param. So what I mean is, if say user provides this post, this is what user has provided in the title, then this exact word that is along with capital T will be matched in the title when exact is used. And if say title is with capital T, then that will be returned, and if it is with small t, then it won't be returned. So let me show you all practically what I'm trying to say. So query set, and I'm going to just copy paste this so that we can do it quickly. Save and run the server. So python manage.py run server, and we'll go to the website. So first of all, we are going to check here, we have 3 posts. Okay, first post title is this, and second post title is this, and third post title is this. Okay, so we are going to take this one and try to get this. Please note its first word is capital F and P is small. Now in extraction we are going to look for lookup filter 1, and since there is no title provided, so it did not match with anything, and now we are going to provide with title that is exact same as this one, and we got it, and Django returned it. Okay, so now we are going to change this. Say we make this a small f, that is case insensitivity, and if we say it won't work. And same thing with any other word. So if there is any difference, slight difference, like even a character difference in exact, then it won't work. So this is what exact lookup filter works, and I'm going to copy this one, paste, and comment out the old one, and iexact. Now we are going to take a look at. So I'm going to just put away I. So I means insensitive exact match. So I'm going to save this, and now if we try to do say small f, it will return us with data, because here it did not consider the case sensitivity. So whatever this text we provided as title, it was like it ignored the case and it matched it and returned it. So say if I put it as post, capital post, it will still return me with the entire data. So this is how exact and iexact filter works in Django. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have learned something new, and if you have, then please make sure to like this video, comment on it, and share. See you in the next one, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.